Absolutely. I am one of the privileged members of the Guelph physics department that is technically in the nuclear group, but not actually. So I get to go with them on a lot of experiments that get announced. The University of Guelph physics nuclear group has massive close collaborations with TRIUMF, where they send a bunch of students multiple times a year over there to just help run experiments and stuff, which mostly involves sitting at a computer and restarting runs every once in a while, making sure nothing goes wrong. And if something does go wrong, then you call the people who know what's going on. It's a lot of fun. I did this other one that was at a much older facility in Seattle. And that one was kind of cool because it was this whole analog. So I got to actually tune the beam with knobs and try to get the little needle to go as far to the right as possible. So that was a lot of fun. That was probably the most, aside from my own experiments where I was actually, physically setting everything up myself and planning it out and, telling people what to do, which was kind of cool as a student. But that was probably, someone else's experiment where it was the most hands-on for me, and it was pretty cool. I still have no idea what the actual experiment was about, but I figured out how to turn the knobs real good.